Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what is network fundamental. So guys, in network fundamental, you may learn about what is network, types of computer networks. You may learn about uh, IP address, about network device, OSI layer, and other. Okay guys, I want to show you right now. It's network fundamental understanding computer network. Okay, what is a network? A network is a computer or device. These connect and can talk to each other and share resource. They use a set of rules called a communication protocol to send information on wires or wirelessly. A network is a device, many device or phone connected together to share the resource, data, and service. Without networks, the internet and communication as we know it would not exist. So types of computer network. The computer network has three types. It's based on media, based on function, and based on coverage. Based of based on coverage is the first local area network, or we can call it LAN. The LAN is cover a small area such as a campus, school, and maybe a class network. And this is a word area network, or we can call one a network that spans a wide geographical area and contains in one is contain LAN, MAN, PAN, and VPN. And the third is metropolitan area network, or we can call MAN. It covers an area larger than LAN but smaller than one, typically encompassing a geographic area such as a city or metropolitan area. And is based on function. At first, it's peer-to-peer, or we can call P2P. At the second, client server. What the difference of to this P2P is all devices have equal status and can act as both client and server. So this computer is connect uh, other computer directly, and client server is network in which one device act as server providing service while other device function as client. So this other is server and the other is client. And the third is based on function. The first is wired network and second is wireless network. Wired is use physical cable like Ethernet cable or fiber optic. And the wire network is used to high speed and stable connection. It's better security than wireless, but this type is limit device mobility. And the wireless is use signal wave or radio wave, but he has greater security risk. But the wireless is flexible, but it is slower speed. So the next, what the benefit of computer network? The first is resource sharing. We share printers, files, application, and internet connection. Two, save costs and improve efficiency. Three, communication and collaboration. For example, is enable email, message, or video call. And the last is security and monitoring. And this the many other benefit of computer network that cannot I tell. Okay, the next is the basic of network device. It's router, and the function of router is connect different network. And then the second is switch. The function is connect multiple devices within the same local area network. And the third is hub. The function is to broadcast data to all connected devices regardless of the destination. Next, what the difference of router, switch, and hub? The router has network type between WAN or LAN. Then switch within LAN, hub LAN. So the difference is router is between network that can WAN or LAN, but the switch and hub can LAN only. For data handling, the router is IP based, the switch is MAC based, but hub broadcast to all. And the intelligence, the router is high intelligence. It can routing and security. The switch is has medium intelligence because he has efficient traffic, but hub is it has low intelligence. There is no filtering about broadcast data. It broadcasts data to all. It cannot filtering the data. For common use, the router is for internet access. Maybe use device to connect to ISP to internet. But switch is for LAN management. We can manage where this data is transferred. And the hub is used for legacy or simple network. And this many other of network device. Uh, the first is access point, repeater, modem, bridge, and other. The next slide is understanding about network topology. It there are four basic of network topology. Before this, we understand about network topology. What is network topology? Network topology is the ways computers and other devices are connected in a network. It shows the structure of the network and how data moves between devices. And the first is bus topology. The bus topology is when all devices share a single backbone cable and connected each other. And the second is ring topology. It means the device is from a closed loop. The third is star topology. It means the device connect to a central hub or switch. This is have a central, even it hub or switch. And the last is mesh topology, when every device connected to every other. Okay, next. There is OC models and their function. For this, what is OC models? The OC models is a seven-layer framework that explain how data moves through a network from one device to other. Each layer has a specific role in handling data. The OC model is a seven layer of network. There is a layer, and the function for one one layer is physical layer. Function is cable, signals, hardware, and transmission. And second is data link that contain MAC address, switch, error detection. And the third is network. The function is routing and addressing an IP. Fourth is transport. The function is ensures reliable data delivery, or we can call TCP or UDP protocols. Uh, and the next layer is session that manage connection between devices. The next layer is presentation layer. That's function is data formatting, encryption, and compression. The next layer of IOC models is interface for user apps, example browser or email. Next is understanding about IP address. The IP address is have two types. The types first is IPv4 that contain 32 bits. Example is this, and IPv6 it contains 128 bit. Example this, and in the IP address it have about three class A, B, C. You can see in this layer, and IP address have private IP address and public IP address. The private is can see, and the public IP you can use on internet, or you can find in the internet. The next is Peter Drucker said the best way to predict the future is to secure it. So for you, you can make your internet is secure by not doing a dark transaction, for example, do not do not going to the dark sites so you can secure your internet. So this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.